In this video, we will learn how to set up a self-hosted integration runtime in Azure. For this, inside Azure Data Factory, go to Manage, create a new self-hosted integration runtime, select Azure Self-Hosted, click Continue. Choose Self-Hosted as the network environment, click Continue. And finally click Create. After saving successfully, then click here to launch the Express setup for this computer. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to open it for installation and registration. Wait for a while as it downloads, installs, and registers the self-hosted integration runtime. Now it is successfully installed on our computer, so just close the window. As we can see, the status shows unavailable, so click on the Integration Runtime option. Enable self-contained interactive authoring, and then click Apply. Now the integration runtime status is running.